Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Sheglam did a Harry Potter collab and I had to buy the whole thing. So in today's video we're going to do a little unboxing. So if you guys want to see what is inside, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I know people don't love Sheglam and I know people don't love Harry Potter. I like Harry Potter and I'm a big girl who makes big girl money, and I can spend said big girl money however I want. So I spent it on this. So let's unbox this. So this came in a huge bag. Inside said huge bag was a huge box, and this was covered with styrofoam. So it was very, very safe getting here. The packaging though is just so cute. This is a suitcase. There's an actual handle, and it comes with an actual Hogwarts luggage tag, which I think just the detail, I'm such a sucker for detail. The little detail is so cute. So I'm probably going to save this box forever because I think it's really cute, but I do have a suitcase that I never use, so I'm going to put this on there. So when you first open it up, you have this really cool pop out of Hogwarts. So you flip this down, and here are two of the products. You have the eyeshadow palette and a highlighter. This is the Monster Book of Monsters eyeshadow palette. And this is the inside of the palette. First of all, the packaging. If you've seen Harry Potter movies, this is what the book looks like in the movie. It is so soft. I thought this was going to be really big and bulky. The only part that's sticking out is the mouth right here. I mean, this even has little teeth. I can't. It's so cute. But this is about the size of a ColourPop palette. I do have a ColourPop palette here for reference. So it's a smidge bigger, but it's really not that much bigger. I love the eyeshadow shades. They're very neutral, warm toned. My favorites. This shade right here, Hippogriff, has 9 3/4. Like, I'm assuming it's like a spray on top. Then right here, the shade Troll is the wand. And then Mooncalf is just Harry Potter's like glasses and the little lightning bolt that's on his forehead. And then the shade right here, Grindylow, is Hogwarts. But I'm so excited to use these shades. They look so pretty. Next we have the Golden Snitch highlighter. Now Sheglam is known for their highlighter. They made that like UFO looking one. This one is so cool. It's just like so fun looking. It feels like rubbery, so I'm excited. This is what the shade looks like. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, it's a really pretty gold highlight. I hope you can tell on camera. Here is the rest of the collection. It was underneath that tray. But first up we have the Happy Birthday Harry blush. Looks just like the cake in the movie. Then this is what the blush looks like. Also says Happy Birthday Harry. I don't know if you can see it on camera. This shade reminds me of my favorite shade from Tarte, which is Party, something like that. And I don't have that blush anymore, so I'm hoping that they're similar. Ooh, it's a really pretty light pale pink, but I really like blushes like that. Next up we have the 4 House of Hogwarts glitter liners. So this is Gryffindor. It's a really pretty red. And we have Hufflepuff, which is a really fun yellow. Third we have Slytherin, which is a gorgeous green. And last we have Ravenclaw, which is a really pretty blue. I really like the wands of these glitter liners because it's like a silicone. It's not a brush. Then last we have this cute little box, which is the Quidditch Champion lip set. So this is like a literal little trunk that opens up. How cute is that? To the quaffles. Like, so cute. This is what it looks like. Kind of like an EOS lip balm. You just unscrew it, and then this is what the lippies look like. They're all different shades. So this first one is Chaser. It's a really pretty, just nude. Next up we have Beater, which is a really pretty like brick red kind of color. I love shades like this. And then last is Keeper, which is really nice, like warm toned brown shade. And that was my unboxing of the Harry Potter and Sheglam collection. If you guys want to see a video of me using the products from this collection, please let me know in the comments down below, because I am going to have some days this month where I'm going to be able to film makeup tutorials and just content in general. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.